Many structures like dams, bridges, buildings, roads, etc., are constructed by civil engineers to serve our various requirements. All of these structures are above the ground and are all visible. These are called superstructure. Structures apply load on soil on which they rest. If superstructures are placed directly on soil, the soil get overstressed and will not be able to support them safely. To safely transfer load of structure on soil, some part of the structure is placed below ground. This part of the structure is known as substructure usually called foundation. Thus, structural elements that connect bridges, building, etc. to ground is known as foundation. Foundation of any structure is very important, because safety and reliability of structures depends upon foundation. Load of any structure is transmitted from superstructure to substructure, that foundation, by columns or walls. Foundation distributes load to the soil in such a manner that the soil is able to withstand the load.